How you doing? This is Sam from Custom Homes Building and Remodeling, and I'm standing in front of this very sexy bar we created. And it wasn't always like this. When we first got the place, it looked like this. And it all started with this inspiration photo right here. All right, I'm gonna take you inside this renovation and show you exactly what we did to pull this off. First off, this, as you can see in the first photo, this bar didn't always look like this, right? So one of the first things that we had to do, because we didn't have all of this spacing, we had to move this sink over to accommodate for this wine fridge. All right, so we saw the details of the picture. We really loved it. We wanted it to look exactly like the bar that we saw in the inspiration photo. So that's what we're going after. So first thing we did was, obviously after we created that space, we put the wine fridge in, and then we also threw in the two cabinets. My countertop guy, I want to show you this, had a remnant of quartzite, very expensive. It wasn't something that we would typically use, but he had it there and he said, hey, I'll just give it to you for the most part. So the tile we had to find out of California, very hard to find. They have this arabesque type of tile all over the place, but they don't have it in this cobalt blue color, and with the crackling in the tile, which we really love. All right, so on the sides of there's some paneling that we created on the sides, right? Along with these custom shelves. I have to give credit to my wife on this. She did an amazing job of putting these shelves together, and it was not easy. We had to stain them, we had to put them all together, and it was really a labor of love to get this look this way. So I wanted to take you into this renovation because it is a renovation that's near and dear to my heart, and also it gives you the opportunity to see what we're capable of doing. So what I would say to everybody is you do not have to be a designer to get a designer look. It's something I tell clients all the time. If you can't afford to hire a designer, let the inspiration be your designer. Something that you really love and it really draws you in, and something that you really feel good about, let that be your designer. So if you haven't already, go ahead and like this page. Hit the subscribe button. We'll continue to bring you content like this on a regular basis.